What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the stream. Today is somewhat of an exciting day, I guess. We're going to be seeing if we can put the final touches and get our membership website live and just out the door. Just get it out there and let's get started. Figure everything else as we go along here. So welcome to the stream. If it's your first time here, this is our How to Build a $1 Million Business, where every day, or Monday to Friday anyways, I come here, do a live stream, and just live stream the work that I'm doing to try to build a company that's going to be generating, hopefully, $1 million of revenue every single year. Wouldn't that be nice? I think it would be nice. Lots of things that we're going to be delving into in the coming weeks and months. But for right now, what we're trying to do is we have our main website, our business, which is called Pixel Media Corporation, which does web design for small and medium-sized businesses. And what I'm doing today and what I want to launch is my personal brand, which is all about trying to live, like learning about living a better life or living the best life possible. Just doing a little bit every single day. And part of that is learning how to build a business that's going to help lead us to financial and personal freedom. So they're a little bit, let's bring that down a little bit. Oh no, it's not getting there. Oh, that's a little bit too high. It's adjusting my screen. So that's kind of the personal aspect of it, is learning all those things that are going to help me be successful in business. So they're kind of a little bit different, but kind of going towards the same goal. But that's why there are two separate things. There's a personal brand, and then there's kind of the business brand as well too. So let's have a look. See. So what we're going to do today is we're really going to focus on getting this membership website out the door. And really what we're doing is we're taking our membership that we already have, which is this one, and we're just transferring over into this little bit of a new refresh, because it's just going to be me about the stuff that I'm doing, instead of bringing in kind of the whole family into everything. Right. So what do we need to get done? So one thing that I was doing is I'm going to keep this thing very, very simple and very minimal for now, and not really worry too much about what it's going to end up eventually looking like. Right now, I just want to focus on the content. And what I was working right now is just figuring out the typography and what I want to focus on, because a lot of the stuff that I'm going to be doing with this is just going to be really, it's just really content driven. It's all 100% content driven. So I want to make sure I have that right. So I'm going to get some music here first and foremost. Okay, that seems okay there. All right. So what's my zoom level here? I'm at 100%. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay. So we're just going to, I just switched the font over, and I'm just going to make sure everything is consistent here. I'm going to bring this just to give me a regular size. And then we're going to have now I'm just adjusting my fonts here. Okay. Mm-hmm. And link navigation. Is it on the navigation? Maybe I'll fix it on that side. Let's go back. 1.2. .4. All bold text. $600. So I'll order lists 1.2, I believe. Let's say 1.5. That's 0.5. That's better. Labels. I don't mind them being a little bit smaller, but they don't have to be that smaller. Okay, we can't have this. 0.2. I'll spend a little bit of time here, and if there's anything that I feel needs to be updated, I'll update that later, just so we get into the meat and potatoes of actually building the membership functionality. So we have this H1, which is 1.4, which is the same size, I believe, as this. Oh, I put that at 1.5. 1.5 at a point minus 0.5 letter spacing. Maybe actually just slightly bigger. Button 1.2. I think H3, you go to 1.2. Okay. I wonder if this should be a header. I feel like it might need to be a heading. Let's just simplify it. I'm gonna have to play around with that spacing. Make sure everything's consistent. Okay, so we also have a thank you page, right? We have all of our projects. That's H1, H2. That should be, basic collection link. That needs to go up 1.2. And I think this needs to be a basic collection link as well. And I think we need a projects template. That's it's an H2, but it's meta. I think what we should do is make this one a little bit smaller. Actually, yeah, just reset. Nope. We'll put that at 0. Oh, that's why. Okay, hang on. So let's just do meta, and we're going to put that at 1.2, and then we need to simmer that down to 1. And okay, so we got a problem with this rich text. Okay, what is going on here with this rich text? I think we have to go inside the rich text itself to figure that, to find out the problem, and I think I know what the problem is. Let's deal with this one first. This is basic collection link. Point 2. There we go. That looks good. Let's bring it to 100 just so I can have a look. Basic collection link. Let's see, 1.2. Yeah, just a little bit more. Okay. And let's look at our rich text here. So all paragraphs inside a rich text. Oh, right. This is going to be right. How do we want to do this? Let me go in just the home page here for a second. Oh, it reset the whole paragraph. Okay, so it is going to be the same. 1.3. Oh, yeah, no, not all paragraphs. 1.2 and height. 3, I believe. Okay. So this is like that because it's in Meta. Because if it wasn't inside Meta, it would be much better like this. So what we need to do is add a class here. Meta rich text. I think it just needs to go down 0.2, right? I think that's saying, is this gonna work here? It's not gonna work here. All right, well, let's publish this. Oh, well, that looks weird. Okay, there we go. Okay. So that's 22 pixels. It's 27. This is 19. This is 18. That's not right. What size is this? That's 19. It's 18. 19. Okay. 19. So the proportions aren't right. So meta rich text. Does it have to go to 0.9? No, that's too much now. Trying to think. We increased it by 0.2. Why wouldn't it decrease by the same amount? I have a better idea. That'll make it. That should make things better. Okay. So instead of adding the size to meta here, we're just going to do it to this. Meta H2, 1.2, and let's just say meta text, 1.2, 1.3. Meta text. And then, yeah, there just is no meta rich text. There just is the rich text. Total video hours. I think we could just do that the same, right? meta text. And then we have another total practice hours. That's meta text. Meta text there. I think that's all of them, right? Meta text, yeah. And then rich text. Okay. So that's good there. So the idea is now, if I ever think the font is too small or too little, I could just update the one style, which is right here. And everything should update proportionally. That's the idea with that. Okay. Do I have a post template? I do. Principles, there's nothing in there for that. Post template, right? There's definitely nothing there. Okay, so the only thing that I want to take a quick look at here, we got the buttons here. Which seem okay. If I take out the padding, oh, interesting. We'll do this vertically. There, I like that better. Yeah, I need to come up with a better color as well. Well, I mean, I like the purple and yellow, but I kind of like the purple and blue. It just reminds me of the purple and blue lightsabers. Whenever I played Star Wars, any video games where you can wield a double lightsaber, it'd always be a blue and a purple one. Okay, I think, oh yeah, one last thing. This right here for this button. This input field. There we go. That was easy. Although, maybe I can just change it here. So let's go to subscription. I think it's this form right here. It's just verticalize it here. Align the whole way. And the input field will go to 100%. There we go. That seems to work nicely. And then the header, we will edit the header. This size, we are going to once again go vertical, but we're going to align it to the left, and we're going to give you some breathing room. And like that's pretty much it. I think though, the container starting at this size, shrink it down. There we go. So we have this at 1.4. So all list items, height 1.4. Okay, that works, looks nice. Let's just go to our project template. Let's see what this looks like. So I think our basic collection list needs to have something like this. But then, ooh, why is our spacing off? Okay, we have the collection list item. And video minutes, practice minutes. What are these doing here? Oh, I think if I wanted to show that, yeah, I don't want to show that at all. So let's just delete that and delete the practice minutes too. Okay. So we have a discrepancy here. So what's going on? So we have our collection day, which is flex. And we have our day here. Yeah, it was a collection day. I think maybe it could just simply be this height, eh? Yeah. There we go. Now we are back in alignment. Are we? Yeah, we are. And then on mobile, yep, perfect. I mean, we'll have to change the size on mobile, but that's okay. Okay, I think we're good. I'm gonna take a look at, just take a look on my phone here. Guiding principles, go back, yeah. So projects, all projects. This is also, guiding principles is just a way to get to your, not really to your project. That just shows what projects are within that principle, right? I took principles out from the navigation and just put it here on the home page. I feel like I could add a little something here. Something like that. Right, I want to check this out on my phone. Give me a second. What's the URL? Okay. And Webflow. Oh, looks pretty good. Oh, except the video hours are not showing up. Did I do something? Oh, shit. Ah, damn it. That's why that was hidden. Damn it. If I go back, where was it? Right. It had to be hidden because I needed that information in order to calculate. Stupid. So I think where was it? I think it's within here. Okay, so I think it was just a text block, right? So it's a total video. Like video minutes. And let's get the total video minutes. And then let's copy this, but I think this one wasn't video minutes, it was practice minutes. And I probably called it practice minutes. Right, I think that's what I wanted. So let me go into the code here. So I wanted to get, video minutes. Okay, there we go. So I'm creating this constant here, video variable minutes, and it's just getting that, and that's the total minutes, and then I just add them all together to get the total number of minutes. All right, yeah, that was stupid. Sometimes I'm too quick to delete things. Okay, let's try this again. It's like, what am I hiding these minutes for? I don't need that. Yes, I do need that. I very much need. I think it was like 108 minutes, 102.8. Hours, I should say. That's crazy. It's like over 4 days of like straight live streaming, and it hasn't even been 2 months yet. Okay. All right. I think we're looking good. This is looking good. And now what we want to do is we want to add in our just membership functionality, right? And one thing, I guess, what do we need for our membership? So I think I'm going to focus on doing 2 things at the start, and I don't want to spread myself too thin here at the start. So I think, what do I say? Right, so office hours. So yeah, we could definitely do that. And we're going to figure out how to automate that as well too. So that when I create a new office hour, that it automatically gets updated into here. And personal video journey. Okay, so I have recaps here. So let's just call this journal. Okay. Okay. And this is just the journal. Okay. And we're also going to need office hours. Okay. It's going to need a start date and time. Definitely include set the start and end times. Set the start time for the office hours. Okay, and then we're gonna have an end time. And the office hours. And we want to have, here's the Zoom link. This is the link that the user will be, oh, right. So with Zoom, do we want to do something different? Because like everyone can have their own, right. Everyone has their own URL, or we can have it so only people that are within the membership can get in. So each, like a person has to kind of register. Should we have to have the person register, or should we have them just be able to join in? That's the question. Because if we give out a link, I mean, I guess anyone can join. I don't think we need to worry about that right now. I know a lot of people worry about people crashing in Zooms or whatever, but you can always just kick somebody out. And right now, we don't have that many members that it'll be difficult to keep track of who's in or who's not. And if we need to worry about adding extra security or whatever, we'll worry about that later. This is a link that users will be able to use to get into the Hangout, into the Zoom meeting. Maybe have a description. Yep. So details of what you are planning to work on in this live stream. It's not a live stream, it's a working session. If it goes really well, I'd love to do this more than just once a week or once a month. Especially if there's good participation from the audience and from the members. That would be really, really cool. You know, people kind of all coming together, working together on figuring out how to, you know, build their business. Oh, excuse me. Right. So let's create that collection. So, well, let's create some more pages. I wonder, do we need to create them in a folder that's like specific? I don't think we need to. I think we can just create a page. So if I take this page, duplicate it, and call this one office hours, I'll create that page. So office hours, right? Here is a list of all our upcoming and previous office hours. Upcoming office hours. And we can't unbind these, eh? It's so annoying. Current project. Oh, it's here. Yeah, it's locked. That's annoying. Okay, so we need a new collection. And the source is going to be office hours. I should have, I think I already have a style for this actually. Just empty state. No, I don't. I thought I did. Or maybe this needs to be empty state. Nope. Okay, empty state. We want no background. We want no padding. We want 1.2, 1.4. Actually, maybe we could. Maybe you can do that. And let's, oh, not the opposite. 0.5. And this one will say, there are no upcoming office hours scheduled. Oh, why is it called empty state 2 now? Oh, dang it. .2, 1.4, color, and minus 0.5 pixels. Okay, something happened here. Oh, 1.2 pixels. Yep. That'll do it. Why does this look much bigger than everything else? Oh, because this text block has... No, that's not why. Let's try empty state text 1.2. Oh, that's better. 500, 1.4. Maybe blue. Yeah, that's better. Let's put the letter spacing on here. Okay. So we are also going to want to have another, so previous office hours. And basically what we want to do is, I guess we only want to show them, actually we're gonna have to, let's make a couple. Let's just make a couple. First office hour session. So let's just say that that was yesterday, and we did it at, I don't know, 7 p.m. And then we ended also on the 10th. We ended at 9 p.m. Okay, that's fine. We'll create that one. Yep. And then we'll have another one, just whatever, second office hour session. And this one is going to be in a couple weeks. And let's just say it's going to end at 9 o'clock. And let's create. Okay, so now we got 2 sessions. So let's go here. Let's create our... Ooh, can we copy? I don't know if we can copy it. Let's go our text link. Choose a collection page. Get text. And then I guess it's the title. And what is this? I think, yeah, basic collection link. But actually what I want to copy is, I think it's going to be under, it'll be under this projects template. Okay, let me just copy this here. Actually, and so where are we going to go? Where are we going? We're going to office hours. And I forgot something. Okay, let's just see what we can get, how far we can get without having to go back. Okay. So here we have the collection list item. I think we have two because this here is, let's get a text. I think I want two texts. So the first one is the start date and time, and format this. And then I want to have, okay, let's put this as collection day. I think that should, yeah, okay. And this here is just going to be a string, and this is going to be the end time, but I'm just going to want to have the time. Just give me the time. There we go. So collection day. And we call this the day. Does it need to be? It might need to be in this div. I think this only, okay. And we're gonna put this, let's call this, oh, what do we call it? What is this thing called? It's like a spacer, but, time range spacer 0.2 0.2. Collection day on this one is a large one, so it's gonna have to be really big. Because what if this text is, what's the longest, like December? I'm not sure what the longest month is, character-wise. Let's just go with, I don't know. It's hard to tell. Let's go here for now. Okay. So I think, oh, why did I have this whole thing as empty state? That's just completely bonkers. No wonder I was getting everything all screwed up. Okay, yeah, I think we can just duplicate this one. And so this one, we are going to have a condition, filter, if the end time is before, okay. So if the end time is after, or no. So time goes, so it's before or after. Oh, I don't understand. Yeah, okay. Is after or equal to 1 day in the past. Okay, so that's, yeah, that's good. I got rid of the one that's April 10th. And so this one, so end time is after or equal to Yeah, I guess 1 day in the past is good. And so this one is the end time is before or equal to 1 day in the past. Okay, that seems to work. So the first office hour is done, but the upcoming one, and then as we have more older office hours, it should display nicely here in this collection list item. Oh, I don't like how this time is displayed a little bit differently. The PM is capitalized. Well, can I not capitalize it? Well, that's annoying. Because you can get the time just as a PM. But then when you want to put the whole date together, oh, what's the difference between that? Oh, that one's just like a smaller version. Can I uncapitalize the text? Probably not, because then I'll uncapitalize everything. Oh, that sucks. You know what I might be able to do? This is annoying to even have to do this, but let's do April 12th. And then this one, you put in the time just like the other one, right? And this one, we put this as day to give it that space. And then we'll do the same thing. Oh, we'll just have to delete this one. But this one, we have to change the condition. There we go. What day has the longest characters? May, June, July, August. I think it's September. I feel like it's September. So let's put this to September. There we go. And let's go back here. Oh, yes, just still a little bit collection day. I feel like it's still a little bit too small. Yeah. There we go. 17. Okay. And this page, I think, well, we'll have this page where people be able to see all of our office hours. And the empty state. We haven't had any office hours yet. coming soon. Or just, we haven't had any office hours yet. There we go. Okay. That's if it's empty. Okay. Let me just go real quick to see. No, I don't have to worry about that. So this is a project. This is a project template. That's different from, right. So we're going to need to create a new one. We're gonna have to call this journal. So, journal. This is my weekly video journal where I talk about the wins, losses, struggles, and triumphs. It's a little bit cheesy here, but I'll clean this up. Of my journey towards I don't know, living my best life, right? And then we're just going to have, what are we going to have? Oh. Right. Okay. So what we need to do is let's just create a sample journal. Oh, gotta go into the database. Welcome to my weekly journal publication. So let's say they go, I don't know, like Monday to Sunday. So Monday to Sunday. This is a short description that will go in the metadata. And everything else we can just leave blank for now. Oh, should we have a I think we want to have like a publication date. But also we want to be careful. Okay, save the changes. So we have a created and edited, but do we have a publication date? Yeah, so I don't want to last published. Ugh. That's I don't. Let's see. I don't know if we need a publication date. This one is collection day. All right. So hopefully this will give the publish on. September 1st. That doesn't seem right. Oh, whoops. I was in the wrong collection. Published on. Right, because it's not published. Okay, fair enough. So, but I should be able to, no, link. The current journal and just get its title. And this is going to be basic collection link. Okay, so well, let's publish it then. Journal. Okay, yeah, publish. Collection structure has changed, has it? Publish the whole site. All right, can do that. Okay, today's April 12th. And collection day is going to be medium. Looking at that September as a kind of guide, if it has 2 letters or 2 digits, like September 23rd. Okay. Excellent. And maybe at some point we can have nice filters for year or whatever, but for now, we don't need to worry about that. Just delete all journal articles and videos. Okay, so that takes care of those 2 things. Now, the journal, I think I would want to put that like people can see it, and then they can click on it. So they click on the individual journal, but then password protect the content that's in here, and then have a nice, sign up or join to get access. I think that would be nice for all of them. Okay. So we have those pages kind of set up. Well, we don't quite have them set up. Let's... All right. Let's go here. Projects is the same kind of thing. So let's go to office hours. Just want to put a little bit of some placeholder stuff in here. That's our content. And then we're going to go to our heading. All right. Even without that, let's copy this and let's put this into journal. Paste. Perfect. And then we can go get that from the journal, and then office hours. Oh, no, not this office hours. This office hours. We can get the title. And then we can do other things here, like the date and stuff. We'll get into that. Because then that'll be the hidden content. That'll be somewhere here below. Okay. And we do have a post template as well. And that stuff is going to be completely open. What do I have here for this one? Principal. All right. Okay. I don't have anything there. Right. I have this empty. Do have empty state, but I don't have. Well, empty state text. I haven't started any projects dealing with building genuine relationships at this time. Copy that. Personal growth. And again, personal growth and development at this time. Just doing Meaningful work. Forget this time. Later. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think we're ready to go for our memberships. It's in beta. Oh, one thing I need to look at is oh my goodness. Oh yeah, Stripe. I need to see what I have for my Stripe. And I guess I have this set up here. But I'm still in test mode. I haven't activated my account. Okay, I have to figure that out. Oh, what was I thinking? I was thinking of, jeez, my mind's going blank. I wonder if I could just make a copy of this site. Just duplicate. I mean, it shouldn't take that long to duplicate, should it? Yeah, there it is. Okay, excellent. I just made a copy because if anything happens once I launch this, oh, why is it being all weird? Once I launch this, then I'll still be okay to just kind of roll back, right? Let's create a new site. Okay, user accounts, access groups. Okay. Yeah, okay. Sell access. So we're going to have to set up products. Which this link is not working. guess we're gonna have to do this for the products. Okay, so subscriptions. No subscriptions yet. I guess I have to add the product. So new product. This is a membership. And this is a, where are we? That's monthly. Monthly subscription to Project 365. How many categories? What should a category be? Images. So that's a subscription. Price, it's $10. Monthly. Standard automatic text. Track inventory. No. No variations. Okay. Your source currency is United States. We'll have to change that. And that is that in settings, e-commerce. And Canada. Let me do this over here. Sorry, guys. Actually, I keep forgetting. I could just do this instead of having to tilt my head so far on the other screen. Okay, let me finish this. Store currency. Let's put this in Canadian dollars. Okay, I think that's set. So that's general. It's payment. I'm gonna have to connect Stripe. Checkout is disabled. Need a hosting. Taxes. Standard tax, yeah. Okay. We're going to do notifications, integrations. That's not too important. Okay. I think I can start sharing again. So I think we set up our e-commerce pricing. So if you go back here to our product, I think it's $10. Yeah, it's up to Canadian. It's automatic to Canadian. Okay. I mean, yeah, stage for publish, I guess. Yeah, it's ready to go. Let's create a new product. This is a membership. And this is yearly. Yearly subscription to Project 365. That's a subscription. Yearly and or 100. We'll create that one. And now we have the last one, which is a membership. And this is lifetime. Lifetime subscription to Project 365. And it's a one-time payment of $1,500. And we create. Okay, so there are 3 plans. Access groups. So, I mean, okay, these are like members, I guess. Yeah, so all members. So if they're monthly, yearly, or lifetime. Any content restricted to its members. Yeah. That's cool. It's really cool how you can limit different content to different members. That's fantastic. So let's create that group. So user accounts, what do we want? I was going to wait to incorporate this as a company, but maybe I should do it. I was going to wait to do it on my birthday, but maybe I should do it now because we need to incorporate, because then once we incorporate, then we can set up a bank account. And once we can set up a bank account, we can set up everything with Stripe, right? And just do everything, clean and by the book. Yeah. Yeah, I think we'll do that. So, because what day? Oh, today's already Wednesday. I don't have very much time. Although we should be able to set up the bank account. We could just use a personal bank for now and then go from there. Okay. Right. Let's look at the login pages, I guess, right? Oh my goodness. Okay. What is this email? All right. Okay. Where did you go? Okay. This whole thing is all messed up. Nope, not there. Okay. Let's get another div in there. Okay, login. And now we can, I guess, throw this in here. Get rid of that. Okay. Log in form. What the hell is that? Okay, we don't need that. I don't have anything for label. Okay. What should I do for input field? I feel like, oh, right. That's gonna be different form. You know what? Let's call it portal form. Okay, come on, man. Do I need to throw these in their own containers? I don't think I need to. And I might just in case. Oh. Let's see, portal form. Let's give it a width of all right. Actually, we can even put this in there. And I think we can center it as well. And we have portal input 100%. And in this, let's go bottom one, maybe. There we go. Oh. Stop. What the hell? Why is it asking for that? That's not gonna center. It's gonna center everything. We do a portal field. Let's just reverse that. There we go. So, not a member. Click here to join. Right. It's going to our sign up page. Ooh. Ooh, how do we... So how do we get people to join, but through a product? So they need to purchase the product, right? Because you can't just join, right? Yeah, user account. Okay. Okay, how does Webflow handle this? So what I'm thinking now, what I'm trying to wrap my head around, is the fact that you have your login so my person can join. They should only be able to sign up if they've actually purchased like a subscription, right? So that would mean on this page, which page? This page, like this, I guess it needs to link to what, a product? How do I link to a product? I mean, do I have to publish these? Well, is this the link? Product not found. Design the product page. Okay. how do you get the link to buy? Hmm. I'm missing something. Set up paid memberships. I wonder if it has to do with the fact cancel subscription. Does it have to do with the fact that I'm not, like, I don't have it linked up to Stripe yet? Webflow 101. Okay. Okay, well that doesn't help. Linking to so you could have people join. Stand out a subscription. Yeah, how do you have a there's a subscribe now, which is fine. I want to have a subscribe now. Billing options. I haven't seen this at all. I haven't seen this at all. So I'll take a look at that. Right, there's a subscription button. Okay. So let's go back to here. I thought there was a subscription. Is that gone now? Cart, yeah. Oh. Add to cart. Product page. Oh my goodness. Am I going to have to switch to Ghost? This is quite frustrating. I should be able to get, you would think, just a button here so that they can buy this subscription or they can buy this product. Is that only going to be allowed on the actual product page? Right, but where's the buy now button? Or is this where? I guess this is where like the add to cart buy now comes into place. And then I have to add a cart. It shows what's in there. Somehow there's 3 things in here. Why is it that... Yeah... Let's see a sample native Webflow membership. Native. So after they sign up, yeah, they're gonna get their account. Creating access groups. Right, so I understand the process of restricting content. That is super easy and awesome. But that's not what I want to do. Like log in, log out. How do you pay? Oh my goodness, this has nothing to do with setting up an actual... Okay, that's not helpful. Only has a Squarespace history. Isn't it? So, an interface for providers will need the ability to assign specific tasks. Oh God, no, that's not helpful at all. Okay, so what's the problem here? So one of the problem, okay, hang on a second. I want to check something out first. Okay. I don't know why I keep thinking about Webflow, and I think it's lacking in ease of functionality in terms of what I want. I want to be able to have a strict button where somebody could be on. Let me put it here. Somebody could be on this page, hit the button, and immediately just go pay, and then log in, and then subscribe, and that's it. You can do that super easy with MemberStack. So if we go here to this website, you just click here. It asks you to sign up. It asks you to sign up, but then you go straight to paying in Stripe. So let's just like test. Let's just put whatever. If I hit sign up and then boom, confirm and pay at the $10 membership, right? Super easy, super quick, super clean. But again, the problem is using MemberStack. Number one, it's really expensive. And then number two, the content isn't actually fully gated, which is a big problem. So it looks like with Webflow, I can't have a button here that's not on a product page or whatever, so somebody can just buy. And when they buy, like, how does it, like, it's not clear to me how this actually, like, unless it's because I'm not connected, that could be a problem. Like, I'll just mean to add layout buttons. I don't know what that means. Yeah, not gonna have any orders, not gonna have any subscriptions. Like, I mean, I have products, and then if I go to the link here and I actually go here, product not found. I don't know why. projects. Product. I mean, all right, so if I click it, it doesn't even add to cart. Oh, but I don't want users to go in. It's just a pain. It's just a pain. I thought Webflow could handle this, but I guess I thought wrong. I guess when I was thinking that people can sign in, sign out, that's no problem, which it is no problem. But then adding the payment functionality to that seems to be a lot more complicated than it needs to be. And now I'm really thinking about my other favorite tool is to use Ghost. Ah, boy, man. It's like I want something to be simple and to like just work. And the problem that I have with Ghost, the biggest problem, is that you don't have the ability to have like a lifetime member. You have to like you just kind of have to hack it, you know, using Zapier or whatever to create that, which is really annoying. We got tiers. I don't need tiers. I wonder if we can see what some of these other ones flow. Theirs is just free. Okay. Oh, they have memberships here. So monthly or yearly. Subscribe. And then I think, yeah, this will just take you straight there. Which is kind of cool. And free, I think, is just get you to the regular sign up. Okay, so now my question right now is, do I need to take the time to work on this right now? Or is this pulling away from my work for actually getting Pixel going? Because I have a feeling like it's going to take away from my time with Pixel, which is really frustrating because that's what I need to focus on right now. And this is what I always say, I kind of get into my head where it ends up being that I split my time in different things and I end up doing so many different things that the things that I'm supposed to be doing, I end up not doing at all. So maybe I need to put this whole membership thing a little bit on the side burner right now and then focus on just building Pixel and doing that. And I could still build my membership stuff on the side. Then what am I thinking? I just build it on the side just through YouTube, right? Just having people subscribe to my YouTube channel or what have you, and then just kind of build from there. It's unfortunate. It's really unfortunate. So frustrating. Okay, I need to take a little bit of time. I need to think this through. And I think I just don't want to spend the time building another site right now. So I've already spent like a week doing this. And the way that Webflow is just so clunky. It's just not going to give me what I want. Even though obviously I could take the time to figure out exactly how to work, but it's not seamless. It's not like a one-click subscribe and join. God, damn it. Yeah, maybe I just need to do a little bit more research in exactly how the membership thing is working, but it's not intuitive to me for paying anyways. All right, so anyways, I'll look at that later. yeah, I'm a little too dejected right now to try to figure this out. Am I hearing feedback? My goodness. I feel like I'm doing something wrong. I feel like I'm doing something wrong where it shouldn't be this much of a roadblock to get a membership up and running in Webflow and to getting those paid subscriptions. And it could just be that because my Stripe isn't linked, that I don't have access to all the tools. That doesn't seem right either, though. That just doesn't seem right. And the fact that I can't link to a product on any page doesn't make any sense to me. It makes no sense to me. So I guess my question could be, or my options. There's a couple options. So what I could do is I could just revert to what I had before, which I didn't have the membership, where I didn't, like, what did I do? I activated the memberships in the e-commerce, so I can roll back to that original thing. So I have the full site ready to go. So I could just implement MemberStack and just pay the MemberStack fees and just be done with it. And then I'll have my membership site ready to go with MemberStack. Again, I'll have issues with stuff not being 100% secure, but what can you do, right? I guess. So that's the thing. And if I look at what's the pricing? Ghost pricing is, we're talking about $25 a month. Yeah, 25 US per month, but then no fees. And then we have, you're still going to have your Stripe fees, right? And then we have MemberStack, which is $29 a month plus 4% transaction fees. Ouch. Plus, also, another thing to consider, plus the $23 a month for the Webflow fees as well. So that is much, much, much more expensive. Even if I pay yearly, then it's at $25 a month. Oh my goodness, that's expensive. Yeah, Ghost just might be the way to go. Are they using the same font? I'll use Inter. It's very similar. Okay. All right. I'm done. I need to go for a walk. I need to clear my head. I need to figure this out and figure out what I'm going to do with this whole membership thing and what I'm going to do and when I'm going to do it, because I'm wasting time. I'm not marketing. I'm not doing anything for Pixel, and I need to be doing that. That's like the most important thing. So, and this membership thing, maybe I could just wait. Maybe I could just build up my membership without actually building an actual membership site, right? And then launch it, later on. That might be the way to go. So, so we'll leave it at that. Yeah, I'll have a little bit more to say probably tomorrow after I've had some walk. After I've gone for a walk, gone outside, get some fresh air, get a little bit of exercise, and clear my head and think about this a little bit more and figure out exactly what way to go. Yeah. So of course, it's not always sunshine and rainbows trying to figure out how to do this thing. Sometimes you might find that you waste some time or you go down a dead end. I don't know. That just that happens sometimes. So yeah, regroup, recess, and get back at it tomorrow. All right, guys, have a good one, and we'll see you tomorrow.